Google Wave. The demise of Google Wave. You pulled the plug on that. Can you talk more about why?
I think we announced that today. And basically what happened was we liked the UI and we liked a lot of the new features in it. Didn't get enough traction, so we're taking those technologies and applying them to new technologies that are not announced. So basically we'll get the benefit of Google Wave, but it won't be as successful.
Why do you think you didn't get enough traction?
You never know. These things are always complicated. Timing, it's a very clever product, so we like what they did.
You feel you did all you could to give it a chance?
We did because our policy is we try things.
Right.
So remember, we celebrate our failures. Right? This is a company where it's absolutely okay to try something that's very hard, have it not be successful, take the learning from that and apply it to something new. So in that sense, Wave is an exact analog there. Would I have loved version 1 to be hugely successful and have 5 gazillion things? Absolutely. But there are plenty of other things that are getting 5 gazillion users.
But aren't there certain kinds of things that, in order to be successful, they're not amenable to being viable?
I don't agree.
Really?
And Google, we have a pretty strong view on this, which is that we prefer to launch a product, see how well it does, and get really strongly behind it if it's going to be successful. In other words, accelerate it. So you'll notice that as a culture, we don't over-promote products that we haven't announced yet. We tend to sort of release them and then see what happens. We found over time that there's a high correlation with growth rates. The way it basically works is you announce the product, you ship it, there's an initial adoption period, and then there's a fall-off, people trying it. And then at some point, it begins to grow again. It turns out that the first derivative of that second growth is a high and accurate predictor of what will happen. More questions?
Eric, can you, a little bit off of that? MG Siegler from TechCrunch. Hi. Just shooting off of that then, can you comment a little bit about how Buzz is going? Is the team from Wave going to move over to that? I know you just said that they might be working on a new project.
Yeah, I'd rather not pre-announce new products. The Wave guys will be working on the stuff that is like Wave but applied in some other areas.
Mm-hmm.
The Buzz team is doing well. Buzz has tens of millions of users. Buzz today is very Gmail-centric.
Right.
And so we tend to lump Buzz into the Gmail success. So basically, Gmail users are using Buzz. But because Buzz doesn't really have a separate destination site at this time, you sort of have to be a Gmail-centric user to use it. So think of it as, today Buzz is really an extension of Gmail.
Was there ever an idea, though, of kind of trying to do that with Wave, you know, in the same way, kind of using the graph of Gmail to kind of bolster Wave?
There were a number of such ideas, yes.